Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. You are watching the best and trendy collections of transparent vinyl rainwear dresses. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for rainy season, completely waterproof and windproof. Excellent romantic hooded raincoats. These raincoats are very beautiful. Dear friends, if you want to see much more collections of raincoats, please visit my YouTube channel Fashion Forever and search videos about your own choice like leather dresses, hunter shoes, rubber raincoats, shiny vinyl raincoats and much more collections of transparent vinyl raincoats you can see on my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. Dear friends, I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you please subscribe my channel if you are new and share my video with your friends and say them to subscribe my channel. Dear friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing for bell icon, you can get my new uploading video notification first. Dear friends, my video is to be end. Dear friends, I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you please subscribe my channel. Dear friends, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Be careful.